So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, and to be removing all of the white paint from the brickwork around the front door, around all of the arches. We'll be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks. Then we're going to be repointing all of the brickwork in natural lime mortar. I'm going to take you upstairs and show you what we'll be doing upstairs as well. Really big job this one, another nice project to showcase. So let's show you upstairs what we'll be doing upstairs. So as you can see on the arches, we'll be taking all of the paint off all of the arches. We're going to be tuck pointing all of the arches. As you can see, all of the sand and cement mortar, that's all going to be taken out, replaced with natural lime mortar. Still got the original tuck pointing, we can see in areas there. So I believe the customer is having either a flush finish or a penny roll finish on all of the London stock brickwork, and then tuck pointing on all of the arches. Same with the decoration, getting all the old loose flaky paint off all of the stonework, filling decoration to all of the stonework. There you go again, you see the original tuck pointing still on the brickwork from when it was first repointed and built by the Victorians. Some big gaps in the brickwork, as you can see, all need sorting out. Up onto the top lift, same again, as you can see the lovely detail on all the arches. We'll be taking all of that paint off, getting all of that exposed. Decoration to all of the woodwork as well. Some nice features to work with, some different combinations of brick. Same again up on the top of the gable. All of that's going to be cleaned and repointed, all tuck pointed, all decoration on all of the woodwork. So yeah, this is going to be a massive transformation. I'm looking forward to getting stuck into this and transforming it once again to the best house on the street as usual. So yeah, like I say, plenty to be getting on with here. Another massive big project underway. I'm just going to show you a little bit downstairs as well. So let's show you downstairs. Yeah, really busy times at the moment. So many projects booked in. Got some lovely work coming up on some other houses that are going up this week. Some more scaffolding's going up this week. Got a couple of other projects that we're working on. I need to get out a video, show you guys them as well. So as you can see, all of this artwork here, that's all going to be tuck pointed, going to look amazing. All of the capitals, all decoration to all of the stonework here, low level as well. So yeah, so another busy start to the week, and we'll show you some updates on this in the next few days, week or so, once it's really underway. So if you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is an update video of a project we've been currently working on for the last couple of weeks. So as you remember from the previous videos, what we've done is we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. We've cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks as always. We're just waiting now for our tuck pointers to come in and tuck point all of the arches. I'm just going to give you a close-up of everything what we've been doing so far. So all of the London stop brickwork and the flush pointing that the customer wanted to go for has been done. Looks really, really good. Just chatting to the customer then, and really happy with everything so far. So as you can see, just going to show you a close up. Like all the flush pointing, drying out nicely now, so doing its job. Quite a few areas where still drying out, where they had lots of damp in certain areas of the building. But as you can see, the lime's doing its magic. So we're going to be tuck pointing all of the arches all of the way through on here. It's really going to set it off once the tuck pointing's done on the arches. It'll all come together then, look really, really good. Bit of cleaning left to do on the arches. The lads will do that when they come to do the tuck pointing. So you've got some nice different colours of brick to work with there, so that's going to look really, really good. Also got all the decoration to do, so obviously getting all the loose flaky paint off, decoration to all of the woodwork and stonework once the tuck pointing's been done. Customer's going for a green colour on the woodwork, and stonework's going to look slightly different. So all of these will be arches that will be tuck pointed as well. Upstairs, got some timber restoration to do. So replacing some missing spindles on here. Going to take off the old soffit underneath. The old lava and plaster's all blown underneath here, so that's all going to be replaced as well. Rub down and repaint all of the timber work. All of the red features, they'll all be tuck pointed as well. And then, like I say, fully decorated. Also doing some work to the back of the property as well. We'll be doing the decoration work to all of the woodwork and windows on the back of the property as well. So far so good. Everything's coming along together really nicely now. Really happy with how it's all come out so far. So there's the customer now. All right. Yeah, good, James. So yeah, I'll have some more progress for you in the next week or so, and give you some more updates from then. Thank you very much. So down here in Dulwich in southeast London, this is just an update video of our project we've been currently working on for around about the last 4 weeks. So what we've did on this project so far was brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointed all of the brickwork in a combination of tuck pointing style on all of the red features and archwork throughout the building, and then a flush pointing on all the London stock brickwork. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of how everything's looking now. Come out really, really well. Customers over the moon. Detail on all of the work as always looks absolutely fantastic now that all of the archwork's all been tuck pointed. So we've got a decoration team starting next week to do all of the woodwork, stonework, front and back of the house. Got some carpentry work to do as well here on the front and the back of the house. I'm just going to give you a little close-up of how everything's now looking. Everything's drying out really, really well. So I'll just give you a close-up on the flush pointing. So as you can see, dried out really, really well. Perfect finish to the brickwork. Like I say, all of the arches all tuck pointed now, really making everything pop and stand out. Like I say, all of this stonework now is all going to be redecorated, get all of this loose flaky paint off, all of the woodwork all going to be done, all of this stonework. Show you a bit upstairs as well, all of the red features and all of the detail work's all been done. So, as you can see, all the detail, the double stopping looks really good. All of the decorative features throughout. Customers are really happy with how everything's come out here. Honestly, in person looks incredible. So looking forward to getting the woodwork and the decoration started next. So placing a lot of this timber, new spindles are going to be put on, same out the back, all of the gables are rotten as well. But as you can see, the detail first class as always. So yeah, just a little update video of how we're getting on here, and I'll show you some more progress in the next probably couple of weeks once we get the decoration work all done. So if you do like the look at this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we're offering, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So we're down here in Dulwich in southeast London. This is our restoration project all completed now, so I'll give you a rundown of everything we did on this project. So we brick cleaned all of the brickwork back to its natural colour. It was a very tired and worn look. If you look back to our previous videos, you see how dirty the original brickwork was. So we brick cleaned all of the brickwork, cut out and replaced all of the damaged bricks with matching imperial bricks, repointed all of the front of the house in natural lime mortar in a combination of a flush finish on all of the London stock brickwork, and then a tuck pointing finish to all the red features, all the arches and all the decorative brickwork. Painted all of the masonry on all of the front of the house, rubbed back all of the window sills, got all the old loose flaky paint off, painted all of the stonework, painted all of the woodwork as well. Front doors all been decorated. Looks absolutely stunning, this property. It's come out amazing. Customers are absolutely over the moon. Really good finish. One of my favourite houses to date that we've ever worked on. Looks incredible. New fascia boards and gutters, new spindles, woodwork up to the main gable. We've also done a full decoration to all of the back of the house as well. New downpipes, and overall this project looks absolutely incredible. So if you do like the look of this project and you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.